Well, hello there. Happy Wednesday. I swear to God. I'm having one of those days because I've been coordinating meetings and everything for the future. So I've been looking at the calendar and it's just been one of those days. And I've worked myself now where I was supposed to take January 2nd off, and the way that I've laid out, unfortunately, I forgot I was taking January 2nd off, and I now made myself have a bunch of work due on the 2nd. Like crap. So I'm going to see if I can swap my day and maybe take New Year's Eve off instead or something. But anyway, yeah, fun times. Oh, before I get there, Starbucks cup of the day. Back to this one of my favorite ones. And I have more cards. And I just have to say, every time I get a card, you all have like the nicest handwriting. It's amazing. I'm jealous because my handwriting is so horrible. Scripty script. I mean, I would love to, let me see if I can grab something with my horrible example of my handwriting. It's pretty bad. Those were some notes from a meeting, but yeah, it's pretty bad. Even though I take notes like that, it's just scribble. This card is from Patty, who you'll often see under the videos here at Vlogmas. Beautiful little card. And just love the little stocking. So thank you so much, Patty. I'll get you a card out hopefully today. I'm going to try to do them daily, but at the very least, I'll write it today, but it might not go out today. And then this one is a lovely Thomas Kincaid picture. And I've said beautiful handwriting. From Michelle, Stephanie, Arthur Babies, and Bird. And I thank you so much. And just beautiful handwriting you have. Goodness gracious. So I can't wait to put these up on my wreath. I will take a picture of it. I haven't been able to find a good place to hang it in the house. I used to have it in our stairway at our old house years ago. And now this house is so much smaller that there's not a whole wall space is a premium here. So I just put it kind of on top of a calendar right now. I will go hang those up and write you a card. And it's Wednesday. So what do we do on Wednesday? We talk about the week in unnecessary spending or necessary spending, whatever we're going to, frame that as. Let's see. I had some necessary spending, but I can't show you that because those are wrapped gifts in the other room. So lots of necessary spending this last week. Purchased most of one of my youngest niece's gifts. Got stuff for Stefan, sent off a couple presents for my friends in the mail, and my oldest niece got her stuff ordered. So a lot of stuff is taken care of. So that's the necessary spending. We have unnecessary spending that I've done and probably shouldn't have done, but yeah. Let me go grab two of them, and then I have one big one that's in a big box that will pivot into another angle for you to go through that one. So I will be right back. Okay, we're back. These kind of go together, but once you see them, you'll see why they go together. I don't know why they send out. Doesn't everybody already have like DoorDash? Got a Prada Paradox and Ocean little tester strip. So these, got my hands on the blue. And then these on the green. Now, I was fortunate enough to go down to my Ulta down the street, and they did have the pink, yellow, and blue, pink, yellow, and green in stock. So I have smelled these. I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or not. So I'm still thinking about whether or not I'm going to open this one. I was not able to smell this one. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead and open it and test it right now, because it's going to be the one I keep. The green one, if I choose not to keep it, it might be going into Giftmas. So I don't know. I kind of want to pick up I like the way the pink smelled, but I kind of like yellow more. So I might go and pick up the yellow instead for myself. It'd be nice to have all of them, but they're really not, in my opinion, they weren't worth it. I thought the jars or the bottles were a lot bigger. So this is 50 ml. And I don't know why I thought that they were 100 ml bottles, but here is the blue. And let's go ahead and try it out since I don't know what it smells like. Surprisingly, the green, the banana, while you can smell it, it's not like sickeningly like you're wearing a smoothie, which is what I was afraid of. I was like, put it on and you're going to be wearing a smoothie. There it is, the spray. Okay, I hope that smells different on a tester, because okay, it does. In the bottle, like the first sniff, it smelled exactly like the Gwen Stefani favorite fragrances from back in the day. That's interesting. That's way more floral than I thought it was going to be. So I'm not sure I'm in love with that one. We'll see how it dries down. But yeah, off the top, it's not one I would wear. That's disappointing. It's really just a showpiece. And I like the flowers on it. Yeah, it's way too floral for, at least this stage, it's too floral for me. This one I actually like more. So oddly, and I guess if somebody didn't mind me spraying it, I could give away the blue. But yeah, I don't like that one nearly as much. How what a bummer. I wish I would have been able to test that one. I wouldn't have bought it. I would have bought the yellow instead. Oh well. Oh well. You live and you learn. All right, let's grab the larger purchase, although these were pretty large purchases, and show you what I got myself into. All right, it's a large box. It came from FedEx. So I made some purchases. These are from, I just noticed there's a card for me. These are from Chanel, and there's more. Oh, how cute. So I had asked specifically if they had the holiday packaging I ordered from the boutique in Chicago that I went to. And she said yes, and she sent me awesome stuff. So there's a card. Oh, the dark blue and the light blue. Oh, that's beautiful. I think they're just cards. Let's look inside. Yep, just blank cards to give out, holiday cards. Well, that'll be fun. I might even just frame those. Those are really pretty. Love it. And this one here is a gift for one of you, so I'm not going to show it. But I asked to have it packaged separately. So this is a gift for Giftmas. And then this is what I sort of bought myself, but I might be giving something for Giftmas as well. Let me get them out. All right, let's see here. Oh, how fun. Look at this ribbon. That is so pretty. I'm gonna untie this. Beautiful ribbon. That lovely tweed. That is so nice. Do this not left-handed and maybe it will be easier to deal with. So I bought, this one's for me. Bought this for myself. I'm going to rewrap it and put it under the tree because that was a gift for myself. Been wanting to have that in my collection for a while. And then this one is in the little packaging. It also has the bow on it. Beautiful, beautiful holiday packaging. And it's basically another one of these gift sets. So I bought 2 of them, one for me, one for you. Just hiding in there. But I see samples. Let's see what the samples are in my receipt. We got Chanel Beauty something. Liquid essence. This is the eye makeup remover, if I remember correctly. And then Lay Lift. How generous. That was so nice. Sorry that the angle is so horrible over here at my desk, but those are really, really nice. Cool. Pickles.
Pickle pup.
What time is it?
What time is it, sweetie?
I think I have a cold, Mom. I don't care what time it is.
Oh, sweetie.
Just having trouble. Oh,
Pobrecita.
then there's that one. Okay.
This one. All right.
You're on, Van.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Advent calendar time, as Pickles failed to tell us. Moving, starting with the Holo Taco, number 5. It's a blue house on the front, so it's going to be something not blue. According to the code you discovered. Oh, no, it's blue.
No, we're wrong. Oh my gosh.
It's very glittery. It's blue.
That is exactly what I needed for my manicure this week. Damn it.
Oh, I'm sorry. You got it a little too late.
Yeah. I'm gonna come in here. This nail right here, I wanted it to be a light blue.
Yeah. That would have been. Well, you can touch it up now. You can put a new coat on.
I can redo it.
Yeah.
Or I can put a top coat on.
It's called In a Flurry.
I love it. That's exactly what I needed. Oh man.
Okay.
Or maybe that will be next week's manicure. That will be the Christmas manicure, maybe.
Okay, my tea. Oh yeah. So this, read my lips. It was a lot like another David's tea that I've had a while ago that was called Red Velvet Cake. It's a black tea with like chocolate and bits of candy in it. The Red Velvet Cake was not mint flavored though. Mm-hmm. This was.
Got chocolate.
Yeah. So, nah, wasn't really a fan.
You haven't opened your calendar yet.
Oh, that's right. Again. I just always forget what date it is. One day just kind of feeds into another. It looks like a green tea. Okay, what are you called? Silk Dragon Jasmine. Not wild about the jasmine, but it's not a deal breaker.
Do do be do do do
Yeah.
do 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 do.
I haven't tried that Korean tea either. I saw the packages.
I know. You'll make time for it. Thank you, Brittany.
Yes, thank you, Brittany. Okay. This is brown. Light brown. Looks like milk chocolate. Slightly rectangular.
It looks very tasty.
Oh, I hope you enjoy it.
That's my goal.
Okay. What do we got for you kids?
You forgot Mind Games.
Oh, yeah. It's white. It kind of blends into the wall there. B1. It's cherry sandalwood. I like that.
Oh, that totally smells like Lost Cherry.
What's
Another
Lost Cherry?
Tom Ford one.
Right. Got Mind Games. Okay, back to the dogs. Number 17 for the dogs.
That smelled really good, though.
It's another biscuit. It's a frosted snowflake.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yep. All right, I'll chop that.
You can wait.
Okay.
We're not too enthused.
All right, let's
Give
move
them
on
chicken.
let's move on to the treats that you actually are here for. They're living ferret.
Look how intently she's looking at him. Like, Dad,
Are you living ferret, dying ferret?
Dad, give me the dried chicken, Dad.
Am I gonna make you work ferret? Blep. That
the
blip
chicken?
just slays me every time.
Can we have the chicken?
Okay, there you go, little blip. Excuse me, sir. I am the dog here.
All these mouths to feed. Wow, Poppy's just like sitting at attention. Pickles just look so sad.
There you go. I'll give you the cookie in a bit.
Yeah.
That's gonna be not sure to get you to eat it probably. All right. So on to that one. It's egg shaped or teardrop shaped. Milk chocolate. All right.
I don't recall you getting that one. Almond Marquis.
Yeah, I haven't had one of. This is the first one of these in this calendar. All right.
Interesting.
Sounds all right.
That is a very large fireplace I got really excited about.
Yeah.
All right, that's our evening. We will see you tomorrow. Have no idea what tomorrow brings, but yeah, it'll be Thursday. Probably going to show you the tree lighting stuff that we didn't show you yet. And then, or we'll show you the decorations out in our neighborhood. I feel accomplished because our neighborhood used to be pretty dark, and now just about every house on this side has lights now, and I feel like I've done that. Yeah. I've done the peer pressure. I'm that person in the neighborhood. Let's have the great light fight.
Well, at least we're not like Hemlock Lane where everybody has to have the same damn Frosty the Snowman up on their roof.
Yeah. All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Good night.
Bye.
Counting down. So in this Christmas time.